let's get it. Another story time on the docket on this joint. You feel me?
Alright, I know some look crusty and dusty and whatever the fuck. Don't miss that. Story time. That story I shot, so just listen. So I see a lot of people like showing how they looked in high school before they tell the story. So here's what I look like. I was your typical choir nerd. All of my friends speak standard English. We never knew what was going on with the trends. That's me. So I had this huge crush. Like when I was in high school, if I had a crush on you, I was probably obsessed with you, because that's how I was in high school. I was very obsessive with my crushes. And I met this guy and he was so cute. Oh my god. And he was a twin. It was two of them. And if you went to Urben in my year, you're probably going to immediately know who this is. But yeah, it was twins, and I just thought they were both so sexy, and I wanted to date both of them. Yes, the both of them. So wherever I could, I would like sneak a glance, or I'd like try to get involved in like anything that they're doing, and like obsessive behavior, not cute. Anyways, so one day I'm going to the cafeteria, and because they're like in like 2 grades above me, when I'm heading for lunch, they're heading back to class, and I would always try to like sneak a glance while they're going back to class while I'm going into the cafeteria. My fantasies of them were like immaculate. Like I fully thought these 2 guys were princes. I thought they were so pretty, so nice, so wonderful, so amazing. In fact, I actually did not expect them to speak patois. I didn't expect that. One day as I'm sneaking a glance, one of them turns around in the middle of lunchtime, you know. He turns around and he goes, "Yo, dry head girl, we all look pan white pre brother, we don't want you, you ugly."
What?
Bamba.
This That's the same thing I said.
I wanted to cry and everybody was looking at me, because like, I mean, he literally turned around and stared directly at me, and I was so shocked. I was just like standing there like, it was so bad. But yeah, that's it.
Yo, oh god. Oh, yo, I've been there before, yo. So quick story time. So when I was younger, right, I was in middle school, and I was going to Green Spring Middle School. This was before it turned into KIP in Baltimore, right? And I was going to KIP. I mean, that's the KIP, going to Green Spring. And I'll never forget, we was walking down the hill, because Baltimore got hills everywhere. But we walking down the hill because you got to go down the hill to get to Green Spring for where I was living at. And these 2 girls that I was in class with, one was in one class, one was in another class. And I asked one of the girls, and they was like, one was tall and one was short. And I asked the tall one, no, I think I asked the short one like 2 days before, can I be her boyfriend or whatever the case may be, or could she be my girlfriend? So then they walking together to school, and I'm behind them, and I just got it in my head to be like, nah, well, let me just go ask the big one. I asked the big one right in front of the little one, not even caring, just like, and both of them looked at me and said, "Hey, nigga, if you don't get the fuck away from us, we don't give a goddamn. You ugly as hell, boy. Get the hell out of here." Yo, when I said they was going in on me, yo, I went in the house, and when I tell you, I went in the mirror, I was like, Am I ugly? Am I ugly? I don't know. I got to figure it out, because so did both of them. They told me get my ugly ass the fuck out their face. Yeah, so that fucked me up for a while. Like for a long time. I'm 40 years on that. This shit fucked me up for a long time. Not now as a grown man, but like I probably up until I was like damn near 20 something. This it's funny you can laugh at stuff like this now because you don't care because you older now. You just like, yo, you are who you are, you is who you is. And then you already had experiences already. But it's just funny how, people can really like, and I don't know, maybe I should have had a maybe a picture of me queued up or something like that, but I don't think I was ugly. I didn't look like that. Matter of fact, I probably didn't look like that because she looked like a little boy.
What? This hour?
All right, I'm done. That was a good one, dog. She had me crying on that. I was expecting that. I was not expecting. I thought she was gonna have both of them. I thought she was gonna get both of them. Cause dudes be wildin'. You know what I'm saying? I thought they would have tried to like, you know what I mean? Try to tag team or something crazy like that. Stuff like that happened in my high school. I don't know about y'all's, but it was wildin'. They was wildin' in my high school. They was doing some XXX stuff. It says children. I'm telling you, girls was. I can't even get it. That's something I got to do like on the Patreon or like something. Y'all got to do a paywall to do that, boy. Y'all ain't getting that for free. Y'all not getting them stories for free. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, man. Because if you don't,
You gonna die?